Hey, how's everybody going, or doing, excuse me. I am thrilled to show you the finished product with the soup. This is the crock pot and the soup, and I threw in a whole bunch of the, all the stuff that you saw me throw in from our last video, plus I put in some more of the hot oil that I make. I wanted to show you a couple different ways to serve it. They're both kind of cute, so hopefully it'll work at a dinner party. I'll try to make this video real quick. The first way we have is right here, which is you just basically try to get all the broth, but you're not worried about straining it. So it's going to be kind of like a dirty martini or something, right? And so what I would do is in this situation right here is I'm going to throw in some red peppers and some jalapenos, or you can just put it on the table in front of your guests and let them do this themselves, which I think is probably the best way to do it. And then you can also throw in, just for color, you can throw in some more cabbage. It's always great to do that. Everybody likes the purple cabbage, probably a little bit the best. It's really good for you. And then instead of filling that all the way up, I just kind of want to give you guys a heads up or an idea of what we're doing here. And so I still have some more of these mushrooms left, right? These are the good thick mushrooms. Portobello. And then if you want to be really fancy, kind of cute, do something a little bit different than everybody else is going to do that's going to steal this video and steal this idea, you can buy some of the the juice bar or Healthy by Heath vegan sour cream. It's thick. It's only 2 or 3 ingredients depending on the way that you want it, but basically it's just coconut milk and then either lemon or lime, or you can even do vinegar. These are made with lemon and lime, so I just kind of split up the portions between the two. So you can get it any way you want to, because we're a newer company. Now would be a great time to actually order this stuff. See how thick that is? Look at that. I mean, it's perfect for tacos, perfect for anything, but it's also perfect for this, right? You're having a vegan dish, you're going to throw in some vegan sour cream, make it cute. Maybe you try to do a little design, although I won't do that very well. But I think you get the idea with that, right? See if we can get the light on that so you can see that clearly. And that's your soup, but it's drinkable. So that's the cute part, right? So the people at your dinner party can do something like that. You know, eat all that stuff out there. I like the whipped cream if it's like, you know, not such a high-end party. Or at the end, you know, once you get all that out, or even if you don't, you can, as you talk to guests. It's a perfect appetizer, right, for a dinner party. Instead of everybody having to sit down, you can just, instead of having wine, it doesn't mean you can't have wine. People double fist all the time, right? Glass of wine. That's the good stuff. And don't worry, I will be selling the soup and everything else on the line as well. We're just trying to figure out how to monetize everything right now, so it's all coming soon. I'll show you this class on the next video.